It is vary on different locations.
Mm-hmm.
Like if you have a like higher competition location, like there is like CPC is really high, then it's gonna cost you much. But for myself, I think we can lower the standard budget in here, because
Mm.
you have already spent some money and you have some
Yeah.
data, so we can directly focus on getting conversions. Like in here, we can use the maximize conversion as a bidding strategy, because you already have some data on your account. And if
Mm-hmm.
we optimize your Google Ads account correctly, and we manage make sure that everything is working quite fine, your conversion tracking, your Google Ads account is attractive, it is gonna make, as well as I need to see your landing page, because it is really important. Because as a Google Ads expert, our job is to get the right people at the right time on your website. So
Mm,
if
yeah.
you don't have a high converting website, then it is really hard for us to get some good conversion. So it would be really better for us to see the landing page first. Okay, and the other things that you told, that budget, yeah, we can definitely work on that. We can like cost lower the cost. Like first we're gonna see how much it cost on your area, then we can talk about the daily budget or monthly budget.
Okay, nice. Okay, but one more thing, like you mentioned here about the landing page. So I have a one guy who actually managed my website. Okay, so I don't want to go ahead with them with the landing page, but I think about the landing page, we should improve it. So is there any way to make the landing page by yourself, or you can suggest me to make my landing page before, as you mentioned landing page is more important for the campaign?
Yes, so basically, this is the same thing happened with our previous clients. Like their landing pages are not highly convertible. So whenever they're getting some good traffic, but that's not converting. So what we suggested, that we have a website developer on our site, like our agency or our team. So he can do the landing page optimization as my direction, because I am a Google expert. So I know which landing page is working quite fine for your business. So I'm going to direct him about every single thing that is need to be done on your landing page, to make
Mm-hmm.
sure that you get a good highly converting landing page. So whenever we're bringing people or customer with Google Ads, they are going to directly convert with a really high profitable clients.
Oh, okay, okay. It sounds good. So okay, it was my one concern to make sure you are able to make my landing page, applying the marketing strategy. So that's fine. I don't have any problem to change my guy who actually like managing my website yet. So I don't have any problem honestly to move forward with the landing page as well with you. So I have another like I have a couple of questions, so don't mind about that. So my another question about the location that you mentioned earlier. So which is, I already spent a lot of money through my campaign. So the only one thing is, is there any way to figure out actually which location is good for me? And you believe about the data. So is there any way to figure out the actual data? I mean, I want to figure out my actual potential location, because I'm really confused about that, because every day I get some calls in the like the multiple location, but I don't understand actually which location is really potential. I mean, I have no problem to spend a lot of money through my campaign, but I want to get return for with I mean through my campaign. So is there any way to figure out the potential location? What do you suggest about that?
Yes, definitely possible, because we have seen in our previous clients that they're spending a lot of money but not getting much conversion like you. What we
Mm-hmm.
did, we go to the Google Ads backend there and check the locations by zip code, by that
Mm-hmm.
state, which state is performing better or not. So we told you that there are some particular locations that are spending a lot of money but not bringing us conversions. So what
Mm-hmm.
we did, we paused that location and put every budget in the location that is highly comparable, and the result was we're getting more conversion from like 1 to 3 location than rest of the all location combined. So that was a really good thing that we can do for your website also, because your Google Ads already have some data. So you do know how it's working right now. So I'm gonna go to the backend of your Google Ads account, see which location is performing better and which location is just wasting your budget. I'm gonna pause those location and gonna select the high converting location and
Mm-hmm.
put our all of the budget on that particular location.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. That's fine to me. Okay. So, okay, that was my another concern. So, I have another question regarding the keyword. Sometime what happened actually, I received phone call through my campaign. It's true. My another, I mean, my the last guy really doing great. Okay. They actually set up my campaign perfectly. But sometime what happened actually, I received many calls. They told me, hey, I reach out to the ads in the Google page, so I need some service. Not service actually. They trying to figure out some jobs to me, but I don't provide any jobs. So how can I stop this type phone calls or leads? Actually, I'm really disappointing about that because I believe for every calls I spend budget, right? So is there any way to stop the irrelevant phone calls through the campaign?
Yeah, of course, that is completely possible because in here on our services businesses, keyword is
Mm-hmm.
really important because
Right.
we are paying like from 2 to 20 to $50 for each click. So we have to
Mm-hmm.
make
Yeah.
sure that every single click we get, it is relevant to our business. So we have
Right.
to use like there is three different match type. So we only use the phrase match type and exact match type, not the bot match type here, at least
Mm-hmm.
not for now, because once you have enough data, then we
Mm-hmm.
can give Google some space to play out with the keywords. But for now, we're gonna stick with the exact match and phrase match. And other thing that is the most important is the negative keyword. So we're gonna ask you that which are the service or type of keywords that you don't want to show your ads. So we're gonna put those keyword as a negative keyword. So whenever people is searching for those particular keywords, our ad doesn't shows up. That is really gonna
Oh,
help us. That is really gonna help us to get more relevant traffic to our website.
okay. Here is so many things, man. I don't understand about the marketing. That's why actually I'm trying to reach out a expert guy like you. So I really surprised about your explanation. It's really good, and I don't. Okay. That's fine. If we able to reduce the irrelevant phone calls, it's fine. It's fine. Okay. Okay, so yeah, earlier you mentioned you need to audit my Google Ads account. So, are you provide like free audit, or what do you think, or what do you provide actually?
Actually, I really don't provide any free audit, but right now that I have speak with you, I've seen that you have already burned a lot of money for your
Yeah,
Google
yeah.
Ads account. I'm feeling really bad for that because as a marketer, my job is to do that thing right. So if anyone do is right wrong for you, I'm really feeling sad here. So what I can do for you now that I'm gonna audit your entire Google Ads account as well as your landing page. I'm gonna put every single problem that you have on your Google Ads account as well as on the landing page. Then I'm gonna give you provide audit report. If you think the strategy is gonna work for you, and if we get like if you want, we can run the ads for 1 month. And if you
Mm-hmm.
think the result is not enough for you, then you don't have to worry. But I'm gonna guarantee you that you are gonna get much more better result than before because I do have the confidence to run this particular type of ads to get better results. So yeah, I'm going to provide you with a strategy after the report. If you think it's workable, we can work for a month. And if you don't satisfy with the results, you don't have to pay me on anything. But if you are satisfied, then we can talk about the payment.
Okay, it's really good for me because I already spent a lot of money.
Yes,
But
yes.
honestly, I don't have any problem to pay you because I want to respect your struggle, your skills, and effort. But I want to make sure actually I figured out one guy who actually provide me like the best service. And really, I don't have, if I make money, I don't have to pay you, right? So I make money, you will make money through
You
me,
make
my
that.
business, right?
Yes.
So I
Actually,
don't have.
that is
Mm-hmm.
my motto. I mean, it is like my life goal. Like, if you make money, I can also make money. If you don't
Okay.
make any money, then how I can ask for like a payment or anything? So it is really for me to, if you I can win you, then I also gonna win. That is my motto.
Okay, okay, perfect. You are really awesome guy. I
Thank you
really
so much. I
impressed,
really appreciate.
and hopefully we will move forward with the current project that we discussed. So yeah, here is one thing, like basically I'm the owner to my company, but I have a plan to start my another job, okay, beside my current job. So I want to also promote this service through the Google advertising, but here is one problem that I'm facing, which is, I have the same budget. So let's say if I add another service beside the plumbing, okay. So if we start the another service through the campaign, and if we utilize the same budget, so it's good strategy, or what do you think about that? Actually, we should go ahead with the specific one, or we should apply another service, because I'm really confused, because here is it America, our costing is very high, okay. So everyone try to make something better to serve, like to maintain their family better, right? So in here plumbing is good service and I really make something, but I want to scale up my business, okay. But so far I don't have any additional budget that I'm able to spend by other service. So let's say if I hire you, okay, and if you run my campaign that we discuss about the plumbing, and as well as if we go ahead with the other service, so it will be good for me, or we just spend our budget without any results. So do you have any idea, or could you please give me some idea about that? What do you think?
Okay, so what is the different service you're talking about? Is it related to plumbing or is it something totally different service?
Not totally different. It's basically right now I'm providing the residential, okay, only for residential, but um, in here I have some brand value, face value. So I want to start the commercial service as well. So commercials, I believe the CPC is very high, right? It's like a similar service, okay, but the audience is totally different, right?
Yes.
So what do you think, or what will be your strategy if we go ahead with that?
Okay, so I think as because you have run Google Ads for your already currently service that you're providing, so I think we should start with this service first. We are
Mm-hmm.
if we're gonna get profitable in the long run, then we can increase our budget to the next service that you're talking about. So we can create different ad groups at the same account. We can create different campaign for that service, or we can also create different ad groups for that particular service that you're providing the service. But for now, I think we should focus on this service that you're providing, because if this is profitable gonna be if it's gonna be profitable for you, then you can spend a lot of money. I mean, you can increase the budget. So for now we should stick with the current service, and then we can focus on the next service if this service is profitable.
Okay, sounds like a plan. Okay, I understand, and I really love your confidence, and you are really emerging person. So I want to move forward with the project. So how can we proceed with that?
So basically, I start with need your Google Ads account access. For that, I
Mm-hmm.
just need the 10 digit of your Google Ads account.
Okay.
So provide send that to me, and I'm going to send you a request. You just need to grant it, and
Okay.
after that, I'm going to audit your entire Google Ads account as well as your website, and send
Mm-hmm.
you a full audit report and what is going to be the next strategy for us. Like we're going to create different ad groups for the service that you have, what kind
Mm-hmm.
of keyword is performing better, which was not. We're gonna filter out those keywords. So totally, we're gonna send you every single thing we're gonna do step by step. Then, if you are okay with it, we're gonna go with that plan and see for 1 month we get any good results or not. I think we'll definitely get say some good results because I have the experience of running plumbing service in USA. So I think I can get better result for your campaign also.
Okay, okay, okay. That's fine. That's fine. That actually I need from you. Whatever. So, how much you charge me?
So that is actually a tricky thing here. Sorry, my mistake. So for charging is like as you have told me that you have already spent like a lot of money before.
Okay.
Usually,
One more thing. I really apologize for the interruption.
No
You already
problem.
mentioned, I want to make everything transparent. So, you already mentioned earlier, like, if we go ahead with the campaign, then you will provide me the free audit, and also you will provide me a service. And then if we get better result from your created campaign, and end of the month, we will move forward. Am I right?
Yes, that's exactly what I told you. But there
Okay.
is like couple of things that we're gonna need to do at first. First, I need to see your landing page because landing page is really important. So we can continue optimization. We can do the optimization free for you 1 month, but for
Mm-hmm.
the landing page optimization, you need to pay $500. Like we're gonna do three different landing pages for different
Mm-hmm.
service that you have on your website. For that, we're gonna charge you like $500, and for the Google Ads campaign setup we're going to take only the Google Ads and plus conversion tracking setup price, not the optimization, because optimization I'm going to do it for you free. But for optimization, I generally charge like $200. But for you, I'm going to do it exactly free because you have spent a lot of money, burn it. So I'm feeling really sorry for you on that particular space. So for the Google Ads plus conversion tracking setup, I'm going to charge you $200. And for the landing page optimization, is going to be $500. So the total cost is going to be $700. But if you have any problem with that, we can like negotiate it a little bit if you want. But usually I go far than this, but for you I'm fixing this price. How about that?
Okay, that's fine. It works for me actually. But here is one thing, I want to mention. That I already make my website, and I believe my website is good. And I have another company. They actually providing my SEO service. Do you know SEO?
Yeah, I definitely know SEO
Okay,
because it is
okay.
really important for us.
Okay, yeah. So, my another company doing the SEO, continuously doing the SEO in my current website. So, let's say you are talking about the landing page. So, if we make a landing page in our page, so is it there is any issue we face in the SEO, or what will be your strategy?
No, there will definitely no problem on the SEO because what we're gonna do, we're gonna change some keywords that you have on your landing page to
Mm-hmm.
the particular popular keywords that you have already running the ads and getting some results from it. So we're gonna input those keywords on your landing page as well as we're gonna optimize the CTA button, which is really important for a service-based business. So we need to
Right.
optimize the CTA button as well as we need to add the reviews. I have seen that your website doesn't have any reviews because in local service-based businesses, review is also a very important thing. So we
Mm-hmm.
need
Right.
to always make sure there's a sticky button, like it's a phone call or WhatsApp button, always present on the display, as well as the reviews and everything that is completely done. So I'm not actually creating your landing page. I am fully optimizing everything for the better result because you are going to spend a lot of money with Google Ads. So if you can't convert them, then you are going to lose all the money like you did
Mm-hmm.
before.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, that's fine, but I think okay, I need to ensure about that, about the landing page, because okay, I want to talk about my SEO guy and also the website developer. Okay, and then I will let you know about the landing page as well. I mean, landing page, and also about the SEO problems.
Okay, I have
But
a one question. Do you
sure.
have GMB, the Google My Business account for your website?
Oh yeah, yeah. I have one like Google profile. But here is one thing, sometime what happened actually, I provide my best service, but they provided me a bad review. So yeah, I actually have a one profile. So yeah, I have it. So is there any way to promote this profile as well, or what do you ask
Yeah,
about that?
but you told me that there is like a bad review. But if we have bad review, then we need to create a brand new one. Or if it's possible, I don't know the review can be removed or not. But if it's possible, you can create a brand new account with just like good reviews that you have. We can add
Mm-hmm.
that on Google Ads account, so it's gonna show you as a location extension on your Google Ads. So it is
Mm-hmm.
also gonna rank on the Google Ads also,
Mm-hmm.
and that is really helpful for us because location is really important for our services business. And we can also do the SEO for the GMB account so that it can also rank organically. So whenever people is going to search for your service, so your Google Ads is going to rank your website. And if you do the SEO for your GMB account, then it's going to rank on the organically right below your Google Ads account. So it is also very important for you to get good results.
Okay, okay. I think my current profile is good. And okay, so now let's talk about the final discussion, which is, okay, you will charge me 700 of end of the month, right? So okay, it's
Actually, not end of. Oh, so I'm so sorry. For 1 second, I'm usually work on the outer marketplace. So it's like we take 50% payment first, then we do take the rest of the 50% after the work. So should I just charge you $700 at the end of the month, or do you have anything else that you want to share?
like you want some budget
Like
for starting?
yeah, that is like if you are a person who has come from outside of the marketplace, like you haven't gone to any marketplace like Fiverr and Upwork. So if you have come, like I've reached to you that you are running Google Ads, your result is not doing well. So whenever we start this whole working process, we take 50% down payment first. So you're gonna have to payment us like $250 first. Then we're gonna start working on your campaign, and at the end of the like the optimization or everything, you are gonna pay the rest of the $25.
Okay. Okay,
But if
perfect.
it's if okay, but if you have come through Fiverr, then I'm not gonna ask you for that because I'm gonna send you an offer after completing the project. You're gonna just take my offer and you can do the
Okay,
rest
okay,
there.
okay. But I think I'm not familiar with the fiber. But if you guide me, then I will definitely reach out by
Sure.
fiber that you mentioned. Okay, everything is fine. My only one question I have, which is like, let's say if we run our campaign, so how can you provide me the report actually what you did or what you're doing?
So I'm gonna provide you with a PDF file as
Mm-hmm.
well as a slide file. So I'm gonna like record every single thing that is wrong with your campaign for now. I'm
Mm-hmm.
gonna mark every single point that's need to be fixed. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna send you the step-by-step PDF file so that
Mm-hmm.
you can read that all and give me your insight. Like if you have anything that you want to exchange or you want to optimize, you can tell us. Then we can finally move to the campaign. Sounds good?
Yeah, yeah, sounds like a plan. Okay, perfect. So yeah, I have no confusion, and again, I love your confidence. So let's start with that we discuss.
Okay, so one more thing. If you have any other problem, like anything that you're not understanding or you are facing anything like you want to hesitating for like you want to share or not, please don't feel anything like that. Just share what you have on your mind. We're gonna
Mm-hmm.
discuss it, gonna be transparent about every single thing. Then we can move to the next step.
Okay, definitely I will do that. Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. So yeah, everything is fine. So could you please repeat again actually what you need to get started?
So I need your so I need your sorry. So I need your Google Ads account access. So for that, I need the 10 digit that you have on your
Mm-hmm.
Google Ads account. You're gonna send me that. I'm gonna send you a Google Ads manager access request. Then you can get grant me the access. Then what I need to see your websites to see
Mm-hmm.
the landing page. And if we need to optimize, we're gonna ask you for the backend access. And the last thing is we need the GTM access for you to do the conversion tracking that you have.
Oh man, I don't know about the GTM.
Don't. That's not a problem. You just show skin, share your skin. I can just or you can create it. I can direct you on that way. Or if you want, we can create an GTM account and give
Mm-hmm.
you the access later. No problem. There is
Oh,
no
okay,
problem
okay.
there.
It will be easier for me, I think. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, perfect. I really appreciate your patience. I had lots of question, but yeah, now I'm okay. Everything is clear. So yeah, I will let you know, and once you are ready, and then you just send me the whatever you want. Like if you send any payment link, then I don't have any problem to pay you. I mean, the for starting and end of the month, we will like I will send the remaining like the payment. Okay, so yeah,
Yes.
um,
It sounds great. I
perfect.
really appreciate it, man.
Okay. By the way, where are you from?
I'm actually from Bangladesh, and my district is like Joshore. So I'm in Joshore, Bangladesh, and it is like really a small country with a really big population, but we
Uh-huh.
do have some like a good freelancer on throughout marketing that is working all over the world. They're working on the marketplace or outside of the marketplace. So I'm really proud to be as a freelancer from Bangladesh.
Okay, perfect, perfect. Okay, perfect. So no more today. Hopefully we
Yeah.
should leave now.
Yeah, I'm gonna send you the access right away. Just grant me the access and we'll start working on the audit option. No problem.
Okay, okay. And one more
Okay.
thing, it will be good for me after the call if you send me all the requirements thing as a text, okay? And then I
Yeah,
will
yeah.
send you all the request right away, okay?
Okay, I'm definitely gonna send you the request, like the everything request that we need for
Mm.
like the website and the Google Ads. You just grant me the access and I will start working on it right away.
Okay, perfect.
Sounds
Yeah.
great. Have a good day, man.
Okay. Have a good night for you.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thanks for your time.
Okay. Perfect. I appreciate it.
আচ্ছা ভাই, আর যারা রয়েছে তারা বোরিং না ফিল করলেই হচ্ছে। অনেক লোকই তো মানে অনেকেই তো আছে এখানে।
হ্যাঁ।
বোরিং কেন? অস্থির
আহ,
লাগলো।
আর ভাই আমি সে কি বলবো গায়ে সোয়েটার দিইনি, আমার সে ঠান্ডা লাগতেছে, কাঁপতেছে, এরকম একটা অবস্থা। বুঝলাম না, হঠাৎ করে ঠান্ডা লাগতেছে।
না, এটা সবার
হ্যালো,
সাথেই
নাইস।
হয় আসলে। আমিও খেয়াল করছি, হ্যাঁ, মিটিং এ যখন একদম জমে যায় তখন হয় পায়ে ঠান্ডা লাগে, না হয় এমনিতে শরীর
হ্যাঁ,
কাঁপে।
হ্যাঁ।
এবং এখানে আমাদের অনেক মানে পার্সোনালি আমার অনেক ভুল হয়েছে, যেমন আপনি আমাকে অ্যাপ্রোচ করছেন যে এন্ড অফ দ্য মান্থে আপনি ব্যালেন্স নেবেন, আবার পরবর্তীতে বলছি যে পেমেন্ট লিঙ্ক দাও। মানে অনেক মিস্টেক হয়েছে, বাট
ও হবে।
হ্যাঁ, ইউর অ্যাকশন ইজ লাইক মানে অ্যামাজিং, ওকে? ইউ আর লাইক এ ফরেনার ম্যান, সো রিয়েলি আই ওয়ান্ট টু লার্ন
থ্যাংক ইউ
উইথ
ভাই।
ইউ, ওকে? আই রিয়েলি এক্সাইটেড অ্যাকচুয়ালি।
আমি আমি নিজেও খুব এক্সাইটেড, সত্যি।
হ্যাঁ, অ্যান্ড আমি হচ্ছে আপনাকে অনেকগুলা মানে হচ্ছে লজিক্যাল কোয়েশ্চেন করছি, আবার কতগুলা একদম ইরিলিভেন্ট কোয়েশ্চেন করছি। যাক, সব কিছু মিলে আপনার মানে হচ্ছে যে ইয়াটা ছিল, কনফিডেন্সটা ছিল পুরো মিটিং জুড়ে, এটা
জি।
অসাধারণ ছিল।
আমার 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 নিজেও